Hi, I'm Jelson, and I want to give you guys a walkthrough of my LectureRequester application. The LectureRequester is a place where you can go to create any lectures regarding any issues you might be having at the moment. Let's well the with the purpose the purpose I had in mind was tailored for um, web development students actually. So if any student is having a problem, they might be able to find a solution to their problem by visiting this page or interacting with the Stack Overflow um, API that's also included as one of the features in the page. So basically, if you don't find what you're looking for already in the database, then you might want to query the Stack Overflow to see if it comes up, see if there's something out there. Now let's go ahead and move on. I'll show you how to log in or sign up. Uh, in this case, we'll sign up. But if you wanted to, if you had a GitHub account, you could authenticate using GitHub by clicking the icon or link here with the GitHub icon, and that'll authenticate using the GitHub service. Let's move on again and sign up, and let's pick one of the avatars. I'll pick Joe, and his name will be Joe, and let's say it will be Joe Smith at demo.com. Cool. Password, anything you'd like, your password, and then that brings you to the home page. Once you sign up, you're redirected to the home page. On the home page, you'll see all the requests and the filter up top that you can use to look for anything you're looking for. You can also like a request uh, that you see here. If you like that request, you can then reference it in the future under your profile. Under your profile, you can see the requests that you've created and the requests that you've liked. So let's like one of these, and just so we can reference them later, and I can show you how that works. So I like the AngularJS one that came up first because just to show you an example. But if you wanted to, you can also comment on it uh, using the comment section right here. Uh, Normally, let's say I'd be having trouble with this AngularJS filters um, uh, request here. I would probably click it here to see the thread that's ongoing, see if it solves my problem, like any other request or anything that's found on the internet, right? So we click it, and that'll take us to the page with all the details for that specific um, request. Now, if you want to search for something and you don't find it, let's say it's something regarding AngularJS filters, and it's not what comes up first. If it's not that, then you might want to see if Stack Overflow has something. So you can easily click the Stack Overflow button, and that'll query Stack Overflow for anything in that filter, and return everything everything that it finds with with that text in its title, or in the title of all the issues that are found on Stack Overflow. So after that query, we'll get all the results listed here. and as you can see there's a lot regarding AngularJS filters. But if you click any of these, that'll bring you back to the original source. So that first one that comes up, I'll click on it, and like I said, it's just a link to the original source. I'll move on now and show you the profile and what that looks like. So here we are, and it'll show you the avatar and details associated with your account. But also, if you see on your left, there's a menu bar where you can click the requests you've liked, the requests you've created, or you can also click the link create a request, and there you can create a new request. Yeah, of course, once you create that request, it'll populate here and show the one you created, of course. But that pretty much summarizes everything about the LectureRequester. If you have any issues that you might want to bring up to me, make sure you click the about page up top, the about link up top, and then submit any issues to the referenced link there. Uh, Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and make sure to create any lecture requests for any problems you're having.